Good day, ladies and gentlemen, and happy holidays. I am Mike Harmon, or HLModTech, and today I'm here to create a holiday card with you using Google Drawings. So first and foremost, if you have ever been in my classroom or we've ever met, I'd just like to wish you a really Merry Christmas. Anybody that's watching this that doesn't celebrate Christmas, whatever you do celebrate, I hope you have a wonderful time while you're celebrating. And everybody that I've ever met, Merry Christmas to you all. So first and foremost, let's get into Google Drive so we can create our cool card using Google Drawings. Click the New button, click the More choice, and choose the powerful Google Drawings tool. Step one when we begin any project is to name it. I'm going to name mine Happy Holidays 2018. The next step is to get the background so it has a festive color. I'm going to add a backdrop by using the Shape tool, bringing out a rectangle, and then drawing that rectangle the exact same size as the paper. When you drop it in place, you need to pick a fill color. I'm going to pick a light red. And now I've got an awesome background I can start building on. Let's insert some words. You could just use a text box, but I kind of like word art. I'm going to type Happy Holidays. If you wanted multi-lines, you saw there that you could do Shift Enter. Always pick an amazing font. I'm going to do Lobster. I'm going to fill it with a cool color. I'm going to do a light green, and then for the outline of it, I'm going to do a dark green. And then I'm going to try and make those lines a little thicker. Boom! That gives it a really cool style. Let's check out the amazing format options. You can do some sizes and things like that, but what I want to get to is the very cool drop shadow, which I can turn on. And then it lets you pick what color it's going to do the drop shadow. I'm going to do mine with a light green, and then I'm going to make its distance further away. You can see there it shows it coming up. It does a blur, it does an angle, and you can even make it more or less transparent. So this is just a fun way to add some cool flavor to your project. I'd like to make sure that mine is all lined up really nice, so I'm going to click the Select tool. I'm going to grab both pieces. Notice all I had to do was get them touching. And when I do Arrange Align, I can choose Center. The next thing I want to do is insert an image, and you could upload a picture from your drive, a picture from your photos. You could do something from your camera. I am going to search the web, but I mean, you could even have your whole family in a picture if you wanted when you were creating this. I would like reindeer. I'm going to find one that I think is festive. I like either of these two, and I simply click them and choose Insert. It brings it in, and let's put it in place. I really want mine to have a transparent background, so I'm going to delete that, and I'm just going to insert a different image, making sure that this one, when I grab it, is transparent. Now, one of the neat things about reusing the search is I can click a more targeted one like cartoon, so then when I find the one I want to try, I can simply click Insert and test it as well. This one does come through transparent, and that is exactly what I wanted. With a holiday card, it is important to insert some words, so let's do that with a text box. When you bring in your text box, draw it where you want, and then add your cool word. Alright, so I whipped up my cool phrase, Dear World, I hope you have the most epic holiday season ever. Share a little time with all those around you and do your best to make the world a better place. Have a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Just like before, you can make those fonts a little more cool. You can also change the size of the fonts. I'm going to do size 18. And you can also pick the cool colors. I'm going to go with another green just because that kind of works with my theme. You can arrange this wherever you want by just dragging it around. You can add more images. You could also draw your own custom shapes with the cool scribble and the polyline, or even the arrows to say make your very own snowflake. I'm going to simply insert one more piece of word art. I'm going to put my HLModTech down at the bottom as my signature. Squish that so it fits the way I want. Pick an awesome font. I'm gonna go with Pacifico because it kind of looks like a signature. Turn it to the side because that's my gig, and pick a cool color. And a awesome fill. So friends, that is how to create an awesome card using Google Drawings. The next trick is to share it, and you simply share it with all the people you care for. Makes me wish that I could share it with an email address like whole world, but instead what I'm going to do is I'm going to post it on YouTube, so I'm sharing it with the whole world that way. Right now in my room, I'm going to share it with my email address, and boom, this card will now show up, and I will be able to see how it turns out. So friends, I hope you have fun, make cool cards, share these with the whole world. It saves on paper, so you're not having any recycling issues. It's a wonderful way to create something custom for people that you care about and celebrate the holiday season. Hope you all have a wonderful Christmas. If you are a former student of mine from way back, like maybe even Sheboygan, or when I coached in Kindy or Caseville, love to have you comment on the bottom of this video. It'd be great to hear what everybody's doing. Friends and family, you're welcome to comment on the bottom of the video as well. Friends, if you liked the video, smash that like button. If you haven't subscribed, get that subscribe button clicked. Click that notifications bell if you want to be the first to know when I make a brand new movie. And of course, if you got a question or a comment, add it down below. Have a wonderful holiday season, and thanks for watching.